that root over of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus tan a. Left hand side, this is now by multiplying the numerator and the denominator with 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a with numerator and denominator. So it will be 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a of square, and 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a is 1 minus sin square a. This is 1 plus sin square a, 1 minus sin square equal to cos square a. Since we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square a minus 1 equal to cos square a. Cos square a. This is 1 minus, sorry. Here it will be like this, not that. Or 1 minus, or editing yes. Cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a. Here is 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. Cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. This is 1 plus sin square a, and cos square a it will be 1 plus sin a by cos a whole square root over. So it will be 1 plus sin a by cos a. Now breaking this, একে ভেঙে দিলে 1 by cos a and sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a equal to sec a, sin a by cos a equal to tan a. This is RHS. RHS is this. Sin a, sec a, tan a. Next one, sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square equal to 7 tan square a cot square a. Taking left hand side like this. So when we will break this square, it will be sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a, and it will be cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. We know that sin a equal to 1 by cosec a, or cosec a equal to 1 by sin a. Similarly, cos a equal to 1 by sec a, or sec a equal to 1 by cos a. So here sin a cos a equal to 1 by sin a, this will cancel out itself, and this is also sec a sin a to sin a to cos a sec a means cos a, sec a means 1 by cos a will cancel out, and sin square a cos square a cosec square a, this is cosec square a, this is sec square a, and this sec square a and cosec square a. This is sec square a and cosec square a. Sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. This is 2. Here it is also 2. And cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. Therefore, cosec square a equal to 1 plus cot square a. Similarly, sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. Therefore, sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Here cosec square A, cosec square equal 1 plus cot square A. Cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Putting this, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 7, and cot square A, tan square A. Proved. Next, sin cube A minus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Here left hand side is this. Taking common sin theta common now holo, it will be 1 minus 2 sin theta, nichete cos theta common now holo, denominator 2 cos square theta. Here 1, this 1 equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta. Denominator 2 cos square theta minus 1. Minus 1 means minus sin square theta plus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore it is minus 1. So when it is minus 1 equal to minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it is minus. Here that's why it is minus. Now by adding and subtracting, it will be cos square theta, sin square theta, again cos square theta minus sin square theta. They will cancel each other, and it will be sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Hence it is proved. Please send all your problems to me so that I can solve for you. All problems you can send me so that I can solve for you.